case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, a legal dispute engaged the central concept of the Fourth Amendment, the protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit ruled on the case United States v. Vankesteren, delving into the unique intricacies of protections and privacy within open fields. Steve Vankesteren, a farmer, found himself under the scrutiny of the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries after they received a tip about a protected bird ensnared in one of his traps. Steve Garvis, an agent from the department, responded to the complaint and discovered a trap in Vankesteren's field. Inside was one live pigeon and one deceased pigeon, along with 5 leg-hold traps, a setup eerily reminiscent of a similar trap spotted on Vankesteren's property years earlier in 2003. In order to ascertain the truth of the matter, Garvis and Special Operations agents decided to install a motion-activated video camera within the field without a warrant. They had hoped to capture footage that would provide more insights into the situation. However, this decision led Vankesteren to subsequently be charged with illegally taking or possessing a migratory bird without a permit. Once the case reached the court, it had to decide if the camera installation violated the Fourth Amendment. Was the farmer's open field a zone where he could reasonably expect privacy? The court ultimately ruled in favor of the agent's actions, claiming that the Fourth Amendment did not extend privacy protections to Vankesteren's open fields. Vankesteren's argument for the application of higher scrutiny for hidden cameras under the Fourth Amendment was dismissed by the court, as they found his expectation of privacy in the open fields where he'd killed hawks to be unreasonable. The court affirmed the district court's decision, and Vankesteren was found guilty on both counts, culminating in a fine. United States v. Vankesteren showcased an intersection of privacy rights and wildlife protections, illustrating how one's alleged illegal activities on their property can be under surveillance without a warrant when carried out in open fields.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.